Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to back up your Google Authenticator before you do a factory reset. Okay, first of all, let me apologize for taking a video like this because Google Authenticator blocks our screen recording, so we have to make the best out of this due to security issues, right? So what I'm going to do first, once you launch your Google Authenticator, look at this. Once you click on this icon, okay, this cloud icon, as you can see, the codes are not being saved to my Google account. So what you need to do is first back them up, okay? So come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, and then choose an email to back up the codes to. So choose that email right there. It'll give you this pop-up basically asking you to start saving codes to this account. Just click on continue and everything will be saved to that account. If I click on the cloud again, you can see the codes are being saved to a Google account. So if I come and swipe to the right on any of these, as you can see, it's being saved to this associated Google account. Now that's one way to back up. If you don't want to connect to a Google account, if you want it to remain completely, offline, what you can do is come here at the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, okay? And then you see transfer codes. Click on transfer codes. Click here on export codes. Okay, put in your password. There we go. I've put my password in. And then select the codes that you want to back up. Okay, click here on next. And then you get this QR code, right? I'll take a screenshot of this QR code. There we go. And this will be in my gallery, right? So what you can do is share this, basically screenshot to your email, save it on a USB drive or to your computer, share anywhere you want, and save it there so you can use it to recover. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. So I have my other device right here. I can open this up. Okay, so that is my password. And then all you need to do is open up a Google Authenticator, come here, click on a Google Authenticator, click on the top left where it says transfer codes. Now you click import codes. Okay, click on import codes and then just choose scan QR code. And as soon as you scan the QR code, okay, as you can see, I am trying to scan this QR code right here. And once this is scanned, you get all the accounts connected, as you can see, okay? And it's really that easy and simple.